mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, read the house down! Hi, friends!
Hi, Faye! Hi, Fluffy!
Faye, I brought you a surprise. It's the special hot chocolate from this favorite coffee shop.
Oh.
And they wrote our names in glittery pens.
Oh, I love it. Floofy? They actually wrote your name as Floofy.
Floofy? That's not my name.
You're Fluffy!
Have any of you ever had your name misspelled or mispronounced before?
Some people spell my name like A-L-I, and they also say it wrong.
And can you tell us how to say your name properly?
Eiley. One day at school, someone called me Hanisha, but it was Manisha.
How do you feel when people mispronounce or misspell your name?
Frustrated. Sad.
You feel sad.
Disappointed. I don't really feel sad or disappointed. If they meet me for the first time, it's probably they won't get it right because my name's hard.
Do they ask for your help in order to pronounce it properly?
Yes, and
Excellent.
I correct them.
Yes.
And I really like that you have patience with people
Yes.
and understand that people might get it wrong and that you're gonna correct them. But what should I do if this happens again?
Well, actually, I have a friend who can help us out.
Hey, Faye and Fluffy.
Nanook, we're so happy that you're here today.
Me too.
I don't actually know how to say your name properly. What should I do if I don't know how to pronounce someone's name? Yeah.
Ask them how to say it.
Can you teach me how to say your name properly?
Of course, it's Nanook.
Hi,
So Nanook means polar bear in my language. So it's part of my culture, which is really important for me.
What is your language?
It's called Inuktitut, and I'm from the Arctic.
Do all of you know where your name came from?
Yes.
Addie.
My first middle name, it's a thunderbird called a phoenix. I'm indigenous.
Cool, so that's where your name comes from.
And in my culture, they call Rani queen. So I'm the queen of the house because in my name, I have the word Rani. Do you want to hear a secret?
Yeah.
My daddy named me secretly after Star Wars.
Oh.
Awesome.
Yeah, Jackson.
For our names, it's basically showing our identity to the world, because you don't want just someone to just call you and say like, hi, and then they don't know your name. That wouldn't make you feel like good.
That's a very important point.
Yeah, so I have a little son. He's a year old, and I adopted him from the Arctic, and his name is Uluria. And he was given his name by a knowledge keeper from one of his communities.
Let's all say that together.
Uluria.
Uluria. And what does that mean?
That means stars in my language. And
so
Inuktitut.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I kind of feel like maybe my name, Fluffy, is a little bit silly.
Fluffy, I really want to encourage you to embrace and be proud of your name. Why don't you try saying, I am Fluffy?
I am Fluffy.
I am Faye.
I am Nanook.
I am Lainey. I am Renisha. I am Eiley. I am Adi. I am Addie.
I am Jackson.
Our bookshelf friends.
What beautiful art, Pepito.
Pepito drew a picture of his name. Did you know Pepito is a type of sandwich?
I'm not sure what to draw. What is a moogie?
Well, that's a great question. What's in a name?
That's right, Pepito. Some names have special meanings.
Like fuzz means fur.
Wow.
Names can define us, but we can also define our names.
Like a chosen name.
What's a chosen name?
Ooh, a chosen name is something that we pick for ourselves because it feels right.
Oh, so my name could be Frederick, or Lily, or Disco.
Oh, yes.
Whatever you feel comfortable with. A name should feel right to you.
But what if I don't pick the right one?
That's okay. You can pick another one that suits you better.
Pepito, what do you love most about your name? Oh, that's amazing. saying, I love your name too, Pepito. And I think I know what name feels right to me.
Which one?
Moogie!
That's a perfect name.
I still don't know what it means or what to draw.
Why don't you draw what being Moogie feels like to you?
I love it. I love my name.
That suits you perfectly, Moogie.
Hi, my name is Sahaj. I am 11 years old. I love my name because it is very uncommon and it's very short and sweet. My name has a special meaning, which is patience. And my name also originates from my culture, which is Hinduism. And in Hinduism, what we do is we go to a temple and meet a guru. He will tell you the first letter of your child's name. Sometimes people say my name wrong, like Sahaj or Sahaj. People usually use that name and just laugh about it. That kind of makes me feel uncomfortable, so don't do that. I always make sure I learn how to pronounce everyone's names. Sahaj is my name, and you can wear it out.
Is everyone ready to sing the Settle Down song with us?
Yes!
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's story is My Name. Words by Supriya Kalkur, pictures by Sandia Rabat. There will be so many new names on the first day.
Honor them in yours the very same way. Listen, connect, remember, and reflect.
Say your new friends' names out loud and the name belonging to you carefully, kindly, and they will too.
But my name means wrinkled foreheads and twisted tongues tied up in knots.
My name means giggles, and more names that sound similar but are not mine. Name.
Oh, they're trying to pronounce it, but they're getting a little bit wrong, I see. Why is it important to respect other people's names?
So they understand what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Because it probably means something special to them.
Yeah, I like that.
It's not nice if you say something mean because you're hurting their feelings.
Exactly.
Yeah. My name means spices and far-off smells, unseen colors, and sounds unheard to them.
My name means the hot sun and sweaty crowds when all I feel are frosty stares.
My name means syllable after syllable, rolling, crashing, unending, like the waves in the sea.
My name means I'm different.
Which is a good thing.
Different
Absolutely.
is the best.
Different in your own way.
Exactly.
Your name means you're you.
Your name means wrinkled faces, creased into smiles, unknotted hearts, and lips twisted with love to welcome you.
Grandson, best friend, teammate. Your name means giggles, happy giggles, and many more names, all belonging to you.
Your name means spices and spiraling scented steam, clanging dishes, and a rainbow on your plate. I want to go to their house for dinner.
Yeah.
Your name means warmth, like the first summer breeze wrapping us together with those who came before.
Your name means crests and waves rocking back and forth on one side of the ocean and the other.
Your name means you're different. Your name means you're you.
Every name means you're different because every name represents just you. Sometimes people have the same name,
Yeah.
but they do different things because they're different than everyone else.
Yeah. Like, what do you think it would be like if we were all the exact same?
It'd be boring and everyone would never ask questions because they know the exact same things.
My name means I'm different, just like yours does too. My name means I'm me, and your name means you're you.
The end!
Did everyone enjoy the story we shared today?
Yay! Did you all have fun learning about the importance of names today?
And I just wanted to say, Nanook, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Of course, I had a blast with all of you.
Yay! Now remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time.